Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of bread pans. I love making bread, but you can use these for meatloaf or any sort of bread or anything at all in oven because they actually are oven safe, dishwasher safe. I mean, you can do anything with these. And the part that I love best is they have lids. So once you're done with any of that cooking, you can easily, instead of getting out a bunch of saran wrap or anything else, you just have these nice lids on there. Then they stack up to save with any sort of space. And I mean, look at this glass. This is beautiful, thick glass all the way around. And this is about 1.9 quarts. It's got nice little handles on the edge that you can easily grab it. And having 2 of them is great because a lot of bread recipes, it'll make about 2 loaves. So this allows you to have all sorts of breads. Like I said, seal it up. Fantastic. Stack it up, put it in the freezer whenever you're done. If you have leftovers, put in the oven. Now the tops can't go in the microwave, oven, anything like that. That is just for storage. The rest of it, you're good to go. These would be great for any kitchen to be able to use for storage, cooking, baking, whatever you want.